And welcome back. Let's talk a little robotics. Alex, how are you this morning?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Tell me a little bit about your group.
Well, I'm Alex, and I'm the CEO of our robotics company, and this is Hannah, and she's the assistant marketing director, and this is our mentor, Mrs. DeWitt.
Mrs. DeWitt, good to have you up here. I'm
Thank
glad
you.
we finally got all this arranged.
Thank you.
LLCA Robotics, that's right. We've had, of course, Athens Bible School on with their robotics team. So this is actually bigger than I ever imagined it was. And when I think about this kind of thing, I think about mostly guys being in it. But you girls rock.
Yes, ma'am. It's the ratio. We have 20 students, and there's only about 4 girls. But last year we had a lot more girls. And it's just really interesting. There's a marketing side to it, and so the girls like to do that.
They do. And do the boys give you guys a hard time? Like, you don't know how to put things together.
Kinda, but
You can hold your own.
Right. Exactly.
I hear you, I hear you. All right, now we do have the robot in here. We're going to get a little demonstration from, who is this?
This is Vincent. He's the director of engineering.
Abby, let's show Vincent's face. Okay, good. Now, how long does it take to put a robot like this together?
Well, we have the kickoff, and they give us the whole idea of what the robot's supposed to do, and then we have 6 weeks.
Okay.
In 6 weeks, we have to build the robot, and there's also, we have to build a marketing booth, and we also have a CAD notebook, an engineering notebook, and after 6 weeks, then we have this huge competition.
So there's really a lot more to this than just taking apart that toaster, trying to put it back together and make it move on its own with a remote control or something.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see, what can this do? And when you go and you compete, how many people are competing in this with you?
Ooh, I don't
Round
know.
about?
13 different teams
13
this year,
different
up to
teams?
19 different
All
teams.
right, let's see what it does.
All right, explain to us what you're doing now.
Well, there's this motor here, it turns this and makes it go out like that. Then we have a servo here, which makes it spin. It can go all the way around if you wanted to. There's 2 servos here, open and close it. There's a servo here for the shoulder. It has to go up.
It looks like just a piece of wood with a bunch of wires on it.
Yeah, it's not hooked up now.
So that's the way it operates.
Yeah, the motor here makes it go all the way around. And then we have a hip motor down here, which spins it in circles.
It looks like you got a bungee cord on it.
And that's to keep it, that's to help it to go out down here. Because this arm is pretty heavy, so when like the motor spins, it'll make it help it go out.
What's the key to winning one of these events? Being the most creative or what?
It's a little bit of everything. Kind of like speed. When you're doing the competition, gotta have the good design, all that good stuff.
You junior, senior?
Yes, sir.
So how long does it take to put something like that together? I may start working on one of those at
Senior,
times.
okay.
This took us 6 weeks, pretty much.
6 weeks.
Yeah, right now we're like at like 8 weeks, about 10 weeks, something like that.
Yes, because we were able to win the actual Calhoun competition.
Congratulations, they're holding
Thank you.
some great awards up
Right,
here too.
and we were able to advance to Auburn, which is December 7th?
7th and 8th.
So you guys are ready.
Yes, ma'am. We're ready to
Well,
go.
What's the oddest robot you've ever seen? Is there one? Or a favorite?
Well, when we were at Calhoun, it was a younger team, and they had their robot. Normally the robots are more bulky to give them a weight, but their robot, it was just like a thin PVC pipe, and they ended up winning it.
Wow, so
For
it
the
made it
robot
probably
competition.
faster and all that good
I
stuff.
guess.
Get some good ideas from that.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do you want to do after high school?
I want to be a chemical engineer.
Of course, gee.
What I'm thinking,
Yeah, we gave that up a long time ago, didn't we? What about you, Hannah?
I want to go into marketing.
Okay.
So when I joined
Marketing's a good
robotics,
business.
when I joined robotics, it made me see that I really like marketing. So
Good. And all the girls seem to be really better at that. So there you go. Well, congratulations on just
Thank
doing
you.
a great job with them. They said that you were their mentor and all these young minds you get to help mold.
Yes, I do. I'm very privileged. I'm so proud of our students. This year they put many, many hours of work, and each one strived to do their best, and that's why we had a winning team this year.
That's awesome. The motorcycles are cranking up. They're getting ready to leave this morning, but you got up bright and early. Anything else you want to say? How do you encourage others to get involved in a program like this?
Well, it's a lot of fun. People think it's mostly nerds and stuff like that.
Yeah, I didn't want to say it.
but it really is a lot of fun, and it builds a lot of relationships, because a lot of the students I didn't know before in the younger grades, and now whenever I see them in school, I'm like, hey, how's it going? And it's just really fun.
All right, tell on yourselves. Have you guys taken anything apart at home and couldn't get it back together? I know it's happening.
That's not really my side of things. If I took something apart, I probably would break it. And just,
Not put
no,
it back
I'm
together?
sure Vincent has.
Vincent, he probably has. All right. Well, thank you so much for being with us. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll have this on YouTube too and Facebook, I'm sure.
And-
John Dees,
Good job. Yes, John Dee's Cross Point Church. A huge hug to everyone there.
All
Thank
right.
you, guys.
And you know, when their students are called nerds, we just say nerds today and boss tomorrow.
That's right. Don't you forget that either, because that's the truth. Well, congratulations and good luck in December.
Thank you.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
You are so welcome. We're going to take a quick break. Stay with us. We'll be right back.